Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix vibration not working on iPhone in iOS 17.3.1. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button to get for more videos. Now let's get starting. Solution number 1. Check ringtone vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and click on Sound and Haptics. On the Sound and Haptics page, click on Ringtone. Click on Haptics. On the Haptics page, select Default and go back Sound and Haptics page. Scroll down and turn on System Haptics. Solution number 2. Check for iOS update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and click on General. On the General page, click on Software Update. On the Software Update page, tap Download and Install to upgrade the iOS. Solution number 3. Turn on vibration. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and click on Accessibility. On the Accessibility page, scroll down, click on Touch. On the Touch page, scroll down, turn on vibration.